If you're watching this video, it means you start taking the first step towards your successful online business. I'm Wael Al Tawil. I'm going to show you how to start, to scale, and grow your online business without no experience. Also, by the end of this video, I'm going to show you with what you will walk away with one-on-one strategy session with me. So in this video, we're going to go through some points like for whom this program is perfect for, who I am and why I'm the right person to help you out. Also, I'm going to give you three main keys for building a successful online business. So for whom this program is perfect for, if you like many struggling marketers, you want to know the secrets of online business, affiliate marketing and coaching, you have been spending a lot of money on your business and you're still struggling, you're feeling stuck, frustrated and hopeless, you just need a simple, clear plan to start with and to take action. So this is the right place, this is the right program for you. Also, I want to take a moment to share with you a deeply personal aspect of who I am and how I can help you. I'm a dentist. I've been in this profession for 9 years. And after the bad situation that happened back home with the country, like economic situation, the banks shut down, they took all the money. So we stayed without money. I decided, me and my family, to move to the United States to start from scratch and to start a new life, a new journey. But when we arrived to the States, I was shocked and surprised that I have to go back to school for 2 years to do international program. And it will cost me $200,000 to get my dental license. So at this point, I was stressed. I don't know what to do. I don't have any more money to pay my bills. So I decided to find like jobs to work to cover my bills. So I start working 17 hours a day, 7 days a week. I don't have time for my family, for my wife, for my kids. I can't see them. I can't talk to them. It was a very stressful situation. And this thing I don't want. I don't want this kind of lifestyle. So I decided to start an online business, and I've been in this industry for a while. Also, at the beginning, I was struggling, purchasing courses, going from course to course, from trend to trend, and everything was leading to failure. And I was almost 20 to 30,000 in debt, and I was going to quit. So I know exactly how you feel because I was in the exact same situation as you. But what I found in this system is the clarity and direction. Step by step, I start seeing more results, I start seeing sales. So because of that, I want to help the people who are going through the same issue I was not long time ago. And as you know, when you start an online business, you will face a lot of challenges. You go from challenge to challenge, and this is the main challenges I faced. Like I was struggled to find a method making money online. Didn't know from where to start, what to do, feeling lost, overwhelmed. Also, I was scared to invest on myself. This is the feeling of fear, like you will feel like scared to do anything because I have been investing and I'm in debt, almost like 30,000 in debt. So you start feeling fear to invest more, and this also leading for a failure. So this is the most challenges what faced me, and I was going to quit, and I was saying this thing is not for me. But then I decided to continue and never give up and to find the missing pieces. And this is what happened to me. Like I found the three main missing pieces, like having the way, creating a superior offer, and having a system that connecting the dots. And as you see in the picture, I was able to take my family to Disneyland, to spend time with my family, to spend time with my kids, have time to them, and go to the beach, go wherever I want, work from wherever I want, 2 to 3 hours a day. Also, I'm gonna show you what have been changed for me, that I was finally breakthrough to a point where I felt confident when I'm doing it. So I know you have been in the industry for a while, facing a lot of challenge, going from one challenge to another. But trust me, this feeling when you know what you are doing is indescribable. And one of the things that helped me is the clarity of understanding, the vision. You can see everything, everything start to be clear in front of you. You know what you're doing. Also, you're becoming a qualified, recognized brand, understanding the right type of people, attracting the high quality people to start making sales. So this is the main things that changed for me. And on the other side, I'm gonna tell you something: why people don't make money online, why people go like fail online, affiliate marketing that fail online. This is the main things why people don't make money online. One, they buy affiliate marketing programs just watching videos. We're going from video to another video. Two, they don't have step by step like plan. They don't have plan to go through it. Three, don't know the first thing about generating qualified leads. They just buying ads. They don't know how to generate leads and talk to leads to convert them to the customers. And they have like zero understanding of the numbers. So this is the main things that lead for a failure. This is the main things why affiliate marketing don't do money. And as I promised you at the beginning of the video, I'm gonna tell you with what you will walk away with one-on-one strategy session with me. Uh, so this is the main things you will walk away with, like how to build a professional personal brand which will attract a high quality paying clients. Two, how to generate target leads without breaking your bank account. How to convert leads and buyer without having to beg, sell, or convince them. How to grow and scale your online business. So this is the main things you will you will walk away with me in one-on-one strategy session. So, and to start the online business, you have two options: one or two. One, it's the hard way, and two is the smart, easy way. So if you're gonna go for the first option, which is the hard way, you're gonna start by yourself. You're gonna start more time. You're gonna start overwhelmed. You don't know what to do. You don't have your own product. You you will feel stuck, hopeless, and you will fail in this way, the hard way. Or you're gonna go to the smart, easy way, is to learn from experts who can build your own offer and which will attract a high quality, learn a skill which can multiply your money, and learn the shortcuts which will avoid you a costly mistakes. So this is the smart way, and it's the easiest and safest way to start an online business. And if you don't um, booked yet a one-on-one strategy session with me, I'm gonna show you some requirements for this session. Like you need to be open-minded, willing to learn. You must be able to invest in yourself and in your business. Also, this business is a long-term business. Also, you will be able to take notes, pay attention, and be willing to change the way you're thinking. This is the main requirements for one-on-one session with me. And if you already booked in, congratulations, and get ready for the most impactful session you will ever have. Thank you.